I'm Joanne Reynoso, here from Casa Reynoso, Tempe. We have been here since 1984. Our family has been in the business since 1938, started in Miami, Arizona. 81, my Nana was ill. She had cancer. And my dad, he learned all he could from my Nana. So everything's the old way. I still use the same spices she used. One of the favorites of Casa Reynoso would be the goyo burro. That's the one with the green chili and the pork carnitas, whole beans, cheese and onions, and it's topped with butter. Just really good. As much as I can. I want it to be as close to my Nana as possible. The recipes, they are our inheritance.